From this initial contact that we make with the client, we try to find out what their expectations are around what they're going to get out of the solar system, and that'll almost always involve going to site, meeting them face to face, getting a good understanding of what the site's like, and just managing their expectations about what it's going to achieve. If they're looking at other solar systems online or from other providers, they might see a system that is $3,000 or $4,000 and it's just not going to do what they think it might do. So being able to have the face-to-face with the client and explain the pros and cons of what we offer versus what that system might offer gets them a better understanding about what solar can do to help them. I suppose there's a lot of misinformation online about what's good and what's bad. So again, being able to have a face-to-face discussion with the customer is always helpful. People that do more research before we get there, before I start the conversation, is always beneficial, because the more educated I think the customer is and the client already understands, yes, I don't want that product that's down here, and I know where you're coming from with panels and the sorts of inverters that we offer. The more research the customer can do and the better understanding that they have of the products that are out there, the better decision they will make at the end of the day. Yeah.